corner, I thought I'd use this opportunity to show you a couple of different ideas, a couple of different things that you can play around with to offer your customers this Easter period. And really, where it started from was all these bunnies. You can see these polka dot ears here, and the same one here, and the same on this big guy here. And that was the starting point for where we're about to go with different bits and pieces. Like I say, it's going to be more of a show and tell than anything being built on camera today. So what I've done here is I've taken the 18-inch Sempertex clear stuffer, and obviously this time of year they're so popular for putting all the gifting in there, the Easter eggs, small toys, gift vouchers, whatever you choose to do, whatever is your tradition for Easter, but they really are so popular this time of year. And on the bottom here I've kind of taken the pastel matte range from Sempertex, and here are the pastel polka dots. These are the small ones with a gold reflex on the inside. So just an alternative way to use the stuffer. Again, like I say, mirroring the polka dots here on the foil with a little latex. Again, this one is the larger polka dot with the reflex gold on the inside. So that's one of the ideas that we had to play with. Obviously, we all know about the minis, the mini air-filled. Again, perfect for gifting. Another one that should be super popular this Easter. And then we have his jumbo brother, the heirlooms. Heirlooms is great for at the end of an Easter egg hunt. If you can find a corner to hide this guy in your garden, you know that's a big prize at the end of your Easter egg hunt. All air filled, all air filled, no helium required whatsoever. Really simple base. Can be delivered, or if you're unable to do so, can also be offered to your customer in packet, because it does have a straw in there so they can inflate themselves at home. Obviously with no helium, that's really easy for them to do. Pop him back down there. I'll just share this other little gift idea. This is the basket from our Easter range, and I've just dressed it up with some tissue paper in the bottom there. Again, our chocolatey gifts or our sweet gifts, and then just with a small cluster of organic pastel mats 5-inch and the little bunny foil head, again that mirroring those polka dots throughout all these different bits and pieces that I'm showing you today. And then the last one that I'm going to show you uses the dot garlands. You get 6 lengths in there. There's a gold, a teal, a pink, and a variety of them, mix of them. And all we've done is use that as our ribbon to tie on our clears. And then this is the light pink clears, the standard clears, with a whole host of different colours, again from the pastel matte range. So all these bits and pieces really tied together. We can go as wild as we want this season, as many different bits and pieces, but I hope what I've done today is shown you a variety of ways in which we can use Sempertex and Anagram product this Easter period to create gifts for your customers to offer to their family members.